If you're experiencing dry spots in your grass, I'm going to show you the most common reason for that happening. It's a job we just did here. We're in Marietta today, and I just want to go over what was happening. So the customer was getting a dry spot all along this side in the summertime when the irrigation was the only watering source and there was no rain. And then what we found is he had no sprinkler heads along this curb. So we added four, one, two, 3, 4. And remember, it's important for each head to spray to the next head. What they had before was just being watered from one side, the water coming out this way, which isn't enough. So we actually, even though this lawn is pretty small, we added 5 sprinkler heads because that's really just what it needed for there to be that head to head coverage. So we replaced 6 that were here, and it's also really oddly shaped. If you see back here, it's just got some strange little corners and stuff. So there's a total of 11 sprinkler heads. The reason we do that is because it minimizes the overspray onto the concrete. But again, the most important part is that there's head-to-head coverage. This is the number one reason why brown spots develop, is because even though water is getting in the right areas, it's not enough and it's not even and consistent. So if you have this problem, you might need to add more sprinkler heads. And to do that, you need to look at the layout and make sure there's head-to-head coverage with the water. Hope this helps.